Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For. This video here is the continuation of getting my gear together so I can start to search. I just got another piece of equipment. This is a casting sonar, which means I can be on shore and I can cast this out and I can see what's out there. The main part about this is it's to assist in my magnet fishing. At the same time, I can be casting and I can see what's out there. Especially if you throw your magnet out there and all of a sudden it hits something and it's really hard to pull. So you throw your sonar out there, and then you'll able to somewhat identify what you have. I found this on eBay. It is a Lowrance Fish Hunter Castable. It is also 3D. I don't know, I've just wound up getting all Lowrance products, and the stuff that I see I really like. Once you get a 3D system, basically you don't need anything else, because that's going to identify exactly what's down there, whether it is vehicle, rocks, whatever. It's going to print out a diagram. The only thing you have to do is identify what the vehicle is, if it's got a plate on it, and then find out whether it's a missing persons or whatever. But as far as identifying what's down there, now you can retrieve it, get it out of there. Newer vehicles, if they're in the water, it's slowly leaking oil, gas, and other poisonous liquids into the environment. We want to get that out of there. If they're over, say, 20 or 30 years, it'll be questionable whether you can actually get the vehicle out, and a lot of times it's already, the oil and everything, oil, gas and everything is already seeped out of the vehicle. So the only thing that it's doing is rusting into the environment. So, but we want to get that trash out of the water. So this is a Lowrance Fish Hunter. And everything you do, and you're buying fishing equipment, but you're using it for environmental use. And this is what we got. It says it's brand spanking new. It hasn't been put in the water. So I got to set this up, charge it, set it up. I'll have to read the instructions, and then get it adapted to your phone. There are two versions. This is the 3D, and then there's the other one, which is just the standard. I can't see if we get in and start getting that charged up. That would be great. I got this for $90 used. You can actually go on Lowrance website and get it for $99. So I only saved, basically save the shipping fee on it. So it gives you an idea what you're going to be looking at when you throw it in there. On when the water's murky and whatever, this cuts through it. That's the whole point behind this. It's got 1, 2, 5 sensors, and then it's got a for night it lights up. This will be a pretty cool setup for me when I'm out and about. If I see a body of water I want to check out, I'll have my magnet, and then I'll be magnet fishing, checking out, see if I come up with anything. And then during that period of time, I can go ahead and cast that out and see what it's showing me underneath. Combination of both. Then, if there is something there, then I'll mark it, and then I'll come back. I believe this has also got charter, where you can chart it in your phone, and then lock in the location. I'll be reading more up on this thing as I get going. But this is another piece of equipment in my arsenal to help me search and recover. So right now I've got my sonar system. Of course, I got my boat. I've got my aerial, all my drones working. I've got all my scuba equipment. It's just not. It's not for cold water. I'm allergic to cold water now, so that's another thing I got to get is a dry suit and a full face system. So we're all set for this video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Get in contact with us if you have something that needs to be searched. If I can't get to it, I'll be passing it on to Adventures with Purpose. I'll also leave links in my description to get in touch with Adventures with Purpose, because they'll be getting back in touch with me if they've got something in my area. So they are building a network. This is by joining Adventures with Purpose. It's a network throughout the world. We've even got somebody down in Australia who's doing the same thing. A lot of the stuff is in the Midwest. Jared's based out of Portland, Oregon. You got Sam the Man, Adventure Man. He's out of Seattle. So then you've got let's see, Team Waters. I can't remember where they're from. I don't know if they're out of Illinois. They might be out of Michigan, but they've been doing it for 15, 20 years. They've brought home over 100 souls to their families. So, I can't wait. I'm anxious. It's also going to be a what would you say, I don't know how to describe it, but bringing a loved one home to somebody that's been missing for years. I don't have anybody in my family missing, but we do have a male Shih Tzu by the name of Lancelot that was dog napped over a year ago, and we still mourn and still look forward to his return. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next.